In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up data from OneDrive to external hard drive. Backing up your files gives you an extra layer of safety, and today we'll walk through a quick, reliable method using built-in Windows options. We'll open your OneDrive folder from the Start menu, pick exactly what you want to copy, and use the classic Send to command to place a duplicate on your external drive. This creates a copy, so your originals stay in OneDrive while the backup lives on your external disk. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu and the search bar. Type OneDrive, then select the OneDrive folder that appears in the search results. This opens your locally synced OneDrive and File Explorer, which mirrors your cloud files so you can work with them just like any other folder on your PC. Inside the OneDrive folder, choose the files or folders you want to back up. You can select a single item or hold Control to click multiple files, or hold Shift to select Arrange. If you want to capture everything inside a folder, select the folder itself. Windows will copy all of its contents. Tip: consider sorting by date or size so you can quickly find what matters most and make sure your external drive has enough free space for what you're copying. With your files selected, right-click anywhere on the selection. On newer versions of Windows, you may see a simplified menu first. Click Show More Options to reveal the full Classic Context menu. This is where the Send to command lives, and it's especially handy for quick copies without setting up anything complicated. From the Classic menu, choose Send to. A small list will expand with available destinations. Look for your external drive in the list. It might appear with a label and a drive letter, like USB drive or a brand name. Click your external drive. Windows will immediately begin copying your selected items to that location. You'll see a progress window for large transfers. Leave the window open and avoid disconnecting the drive until the process finishes. If you're moving a lot of data, this can take some time, and that's normal. Once it completes, your external hard drive will contain a duplicate of the files and folders you selected, preserving your OneDrive originals while giving you a local, portable backup. That's all there is to it. Open OneDrive from the Start menu, select what you need, right-click to show more options, choose Send to, and click your external drive. Simple, fast, and effective. If this helped, keep your backups current by repeating the same approach whenever you add important new files.